Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a home decor thrift store haul. I've gotten some amazing pieces from the thrift store. I'm kind of like so geeked at how everything came together. My daughter is taking a nap, so excuse the snoring in the background. We're just gonna film around her. But I cannot wait to show you some of these pieces. I've gotten some big furniture pieces for cheap, some little accessory things. I've had a few pieces for a long time, so I don't remember all of the prices, but I'll try to let you know the pricing. Although it's not like you're gonna go out and get it. This is just giving you some inspiration as to what to look for when thrift shopping. So let's get into it. Okay, so first up is this dresser, which I am in love with. I found this dresser at a thrift store called Volunteers for America, and this was $18. Yes, $18 for this 8-drawer dresser. It comes with a mirror. I took the mirror off. I had it in my bedroom previously, but I thought it would look really good in the living room and give kind of a vintage vibe. So I took the mirror off and just have it as a TV stand. And I store some things in the drawers, but I love this dresser. So it was only $18. So next up is this gorgeous chair. This chair I found at the Goodwill. And if you didn't know, the Goodwill will sometimes have like damaged or discarded items from Target. So this chair was actually from Target. I looked it up, saw it online. It's a Target chair, but I found it at the Goodwill for about $40. I love the look of the wood and the gray, and it ties in perfectly with my living room. So I think I'll have this for a long time. So this Ottoman is from the thrift store, but my grandmother had it first and she gifted it to me when I moved out for the first time. So I took this and wrapped it in an old curtain that I had. I just cut it down to size, used the staple gun to staple it on the bottom, and voila. I really like that it's neutral tone, but it adds a bit of print to my living room, and I feel like it ties everything together really well. So that's a trick for you. If you find something, you can always wrap it in a different fabric. So this brass lamp is everything. I love it so much. I know that I found it at the Goodwill years ago, but I'm not sure of the price, but it couldn't have been more than $6 because I bought 2 lamps at that time, and I'm pretty sure I didn't spend a ton of money. But it is just so gorgeous. It does have a little bit of wear and tear on it, but I don't mind that. I just feel like, it's like a vintage touch. So this lamp has been with me forever. So the big daddy find of all of my thrift store shopping has to be this queen size bed frame. I found this bed at the Goodwill for $79 and I was shook, okay? We laid out all of the pieces in the store just to make sure everything was there, and I did have to buy a support beam to go up the middle of the bed, but other than that, this bed is amazing. It has the storage drawers in the front. It has storage on the sides. As you can see, I just moved in, so there's not much in my room right now, but this bed, I could not believe I found it. I just bought a mattress. I wiped it down really well, disinfected it. But it was in great shape. I looked at all the tags. It was made in 2016, so it's fairly new. It looked like it wasn't really used at all, so I was so happy to bring this bad boy home. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram.